Now I guarantee there won't be another one of these for sale in the UK. It is a hardtop Defender 90, privately owned, not subject to any VAT. We're selling it for $56,990. This car's got a jump seat, cold climate package, deployable tow bar, but the biggest thing is it's had £15,000 worth of genuine Overfinch parts fitted to it. That's the 22-inch Etoile wheels, the titanium lettering, the arch extensions, the colour code, the rear spoiler. If you know anything about Land Rovers in general, Overfinch are the premium company to fit these cars out. It's very, very rare to find a Defender with the Overfinch parts. So if you're looking for a Defender, you don't want to pay the VAT on one, you want a commercial, this is your car. It is very special. In Santorini black, 39,000 miles, full service history. It's fantastic. Look at the lettering, titanium, the Overfinch oval, fully colour coded to the front with the underside of the car, the arch extensions, the Etoile wheels, the steps, classic mud flaps. It's also got a jump seat. It's locked, but it's also got a jump seat. Look at the wheels actually as we walk around. So really, really nice wheels. We're a four-tune these, Overfinch centres, polished, Overfinch lettering here with the black inserts, 22-inch. Then at the back, Overfinch spare wheel cover. So it just elevates this car to another level. Truly it does. Rear spoiler, wait there, let me just open the car. Now, you know, these cars like this with no VAT, the actual demand is very high and the supply is very low in the market. We'll sell this straight away because of what it looks like, but also because of what it represents. So deployable tow bar, switchable in the boot here on the left-hand side. Obviously, rubberized floor, jump seat. It's had the bulkhead removed, which I kind of like. I think that works more as what this car will be for you. Bumper protected at the top, all colour-coded in black. LED front and rear lights, arch extensions, classic mud flaps. Just a stunning thing. Then on the inside, obviously jump seat. It's got Overfinch floor mats, but look at the ambient light which runs in the footwells as well. So it's really, really nice. This car's got cold climate package which gives you heated wheel, heated washer jets, obviously steps, functional but look good. 39,000 miles, and then sat in the Defender, lovely elevated driving position. The big thing about this car is obviously the Overfinch 15 grand bits on it. You know, if we're selling this car for 56,990, knock the Overfinch bits off, that makes it a great buy. But with them and with the no VAT status, this won't last long at all. Heated front seat on the outer sides, obviously the jump seat which folds down with this little lever into the armrest, 360 camera system, wireless smartphone integration, towing camera as well because we've got the deployable tow bar. This thing's ready to go to work. It's stunning, really is, especially for the value. There's no VAT to pay. It's on the website now. Just get it bought. These things won't, well, they don't last long, do they? My name's Richard. Give me a call. Thanks for watching.